Good morning, dear students. So, my name is Akshata. Okay, so I will take trigonometry for you. So, here, trigonometry. I think you all already studied about the trigonometry in 10th, right? What is the definition? What is the meaning of trigonometry? Let us know first one. Okay, so trigonometry is a word which is derived from the Greek word trigno. Okay, so here, trigno means triangle and metron means measure. Metron means okay. So totally the definition of trigonometry means that means the meaning of trigonometry is measurement of triangle. Okay. So this is about trigonometry and let us know some basic points of based on trigonometry. Okay. What is the meaning of angle? What is angle? I think you all used the angle, right? So already use ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ. In angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ so let us know a simple definition. Okay. An angle means it is said to be generated. Where it will generate means, so here I am taking the line OX. So we call this line as a plane. Okay. So here if we rotate this plane, so for some distance, let us take that distance as OP. See here, an angle means it is said to be generated. Okay, it is said to be generated in a plane from the rotation of the plane from one point to the another point. Okay, that means here we can clearly say that so if we rotate the plane, if we rotate the line from one position to the another position, there we get there the generation of the angle is formed. Where it will form means it is formed at the point O. Okay, so here that point O we call it as an vertex. ನೋಡಿರಿ, angle means it is generated. Angle ಎಲ್ಲಿ generate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is generated in a plane. Okay, so by the rotation of an line from the initial position to the terminal position. So ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ at point O. Okay, so therefore the point O is called the vertex at which the angle is generated by the rotation of the line from initial position to the terminal position. In initial position andre see here this line OX we call it as an initial position and the line OP is called terminal position. So initial line ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ initial plane ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು initial position ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So if we rotate that line for a few distance, so that line we call it as a terminal position. I think this is clear. Okay, so here the angle is generated. Next, so next, what is the measurement of angle? What is the meaning of measurement? So measurement of angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So let us know about that one. Okay, so measurement of angle means the amount of rotation of a revolving line. Okay, so ಎಷ್ಟು rotation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ revolving line, so ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು measure of an angle ಅಥವಾ measurement of an angle ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so ಏನು measurement of angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is the amount of rotation. So ಎಷ್ಟು rotations ತಗೋತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ revolving line ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 hour ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್, ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, so here generally we represent the angle in the form of ಹೇಗೆ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so for this line here angle XOP it is denoted by angle XOP or this can also be denoted as angle XOP. I think you all know the notations. Okay, so basics things na ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, just you should recall the 10th what you have studied. Okay, so next let us move on to the next one. Measurement of angles are in two kinds. Okay, there are two types of measurement of angles. Namgili two types is the angle measurement. I think you all know. If we measure the angle in anti-clockwise direction, then we consider the angle in positive. Okay, so if we measure the angle in clockwise direction, the angle is considered to be negative. Anti-clockwise directionally angle na measure ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ it is always positive. See it. Anti-clockwise directionally angle na measure ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is always positive. Okay, so if we take in clockwise direction, then angle is considered to be negative. Okay, these are all we know, right? So next, there are two types of measurement of angles. Actually, there are two systems to measure the angle. So one is, we call it as an sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system, and second one is circular system. Okay, so here there are two systems in which we measure the angles. So angles in two types ಅಲ್ಲಿ measure ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So one is sexagesimal system and another one is circular system. But here in this chapter we mainly study about circular system. So in sexagesimal system ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. So sexagesimal system means it is a measurement of angle, means it is in the form of a degree measure. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ 30 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 10 degree, 5 degree. What we say that degrees, that all comes from the sexagesimal system. Okay, so next is circular system. So here in circular system we usually measure the angles in radian. Okay, so therefore this circular system we can also be called as radian measure. ನೀವೇನು ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೊಟೇಷನ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಏನ್ 10th ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ 75 degree, 150 degree, 110 degree. So that all belongs to the sexagesimal system. But in this chapter we mainly study about the circular system. Circular system means if we measure the angle in radian, so that measure we call it as a circular system. Okay, so next let us know the definition of radian measure. So let us know what is the definition of radian. Okay, so radian is an unit which is used to measure the angle, so which comes from the circular system. Okay, a radian means, see here, a radian means 1 radian. So how to define 1 radian? So it is the angle subtended at the center of the circle. Okay, so it is an angle. What is an angle? Radian is an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc of length is equal to radius of the circle. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, if the arc length of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle what generated is, that is a radian, that is 1 radian. So let us consider a circle with center O. Okay, so this is the center O. So by taking O as the center, here I am considering the circle. Okay, so here let us take 2 points on the circle. A and B are the 2 points on the circle. Join OB and OA. Okay, so clearly we can clearly say that OB and OA are the radius of the circle. Let us take that radius is R. So let R be the radius of the circle. Okay, so here what is the arc length? Here the arc is arc AB, right? Okay, so here suppose if the arc length, So here length of an arc AB is equal to radius of the circle. Suppose if we take, let us take in an example. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ example ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Arc length 5 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let us assume, okay. If the radius of the circle is also 5, is it clearly we can say that radius is always equal to the length of an arc by using this figure? ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? 5 is equal to 5 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. If the arc length is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle generated at the center of the circle is always a radian. That is denoted by 1 radian. See the notation, 1 radian. So ನಮಗೆ arc length radius ಗೆ equal ಆದಾಗ ಏನ್ angle generate ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆ angle ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು radian ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So if we say the definition, a radian means a radian is an angle generated at the center of the circle, okay, by an arc of length is equal to radius of the circle. If the arc length is equal to the radius, then the angle generated we call it as a radian. A radian is denoted by 1 radian. So this is the notation of the radian, okay. So next move on to the relation between the degree and radian, okay. So let us know the definition. So definition ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So radian ಗೆ definition ಏನು? A radian is said to be generated, or a radian is an angle subtended at the center of the circle. A radian is an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc of length is equal to radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. If the arc length is equal to the radius, then the angle generated we call it as a radian, okay. It is denoted by, the notation is 1 radian. So next move on to the relation between degree and radian. So degree use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ previous classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Degree ಗೂ radian ಗೂ ಏನ್ difference ಇದೆ, ಏನ್ relation ಇದೆ, let us know now. Relation between degree and radian, okay. See here, we know that 360 degree, right? So here this is in sexagesimal system. This 360 degree can be written in radian as 2 pi radian, or you can use like this 2 pi radian, okay. Power only c bardre it is understood, radian. See here, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. This is in sexagesimal and this is in circular system, okay. So now let us know the relation. So here if we take this 2 to the right hand side, we get pi radian is equal to, so here 360 by 2 we get, so 2 ones are 2, 180 gets cancelled, we get 180 degree. Alva cancel agutte, 2 ones are 2, 180 are. So next take this pi to the right hand side, we get 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi, okay. So here 1 radian is formula is 180 degree by pi. Suppose if we take x radian, I am taking in general, so x radian is equal to 180 degree by pi into x, okay. So this is the formula to convert radian to degree. You radian in the degree convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the formula means? So this is the formula to convert radian to degree. So next, to convert degree to radian, okay. So here x degree is equal to pi by 180 into x. Okay, to convert degree to radian, so this is the formula. Okay, so here there are some problems based on to converting degree to radian and radian to degree. Next ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. ಆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು radian to degree convert ಮಾಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, this is degree to radian. Okay, and also here we have to recall one point. What is the value of pi? I think you all studied about the pi value, that is 22/7. This is only for pi. If we take pi radian, it is always equal to 180 degree. Angle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 180 degree. Just pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 22/7 ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, and also one CET point is there. A radian is a constant angle. Okay, so you should recall this point. CET question idu. A radian is a constant angle. Okay, a radian is a constant angle. Now let us move on to the problems. How to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. So here I want to give some important points you should recall. Okay, so let us know the points. See here, 1 degree I am telling, not about the radian. Okay, 1 degree, if I want to convert this degree to minute, means it is 60 minutes. See here, this dash denotes the minute. ನೀವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 60 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್, ಸೊ ಡಬಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ seconds. Okay, so next I think I have told you now only. So what is the value of pi radian? Pi radian means it is an angle that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here 1 radian value, so 1 radian value ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 57 degree 16 minutes 22 seconds. Okay, 1 radian ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ its value is always equal to 57 degree 16 minutes 22 seconds. Okay, so next I have told you the value of pi. What is the value of pi? 22/7. Okay, so next is here, see here, to solve the problems here we have to consider these important points here. To convert degree to minute, okay, and to convert minute to seconds, so here we have to multiply by 60. ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟು 60ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಮಿನಿಟಿಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟು 60 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ seconds to minutes. Okay, so if I want to convert from seconds to minutes and minutes to degree, okay, so here we have to multiply by 1/60. Reverse it. ನೋಡಿ, degree to minute, minute to seconds ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, seconds to minute, minutes to degree ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So that we have to take the reciprocal of 60, that is 1/60. Okay, so here the formulas, that is x degree is equal to what is the formula? Pi by 180 into x radian. Okay, this is the formula. Next, to convert radian to degree, that is x radian is equal to, radian ಇಂದ degree convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, 180 by pi into x degree. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ನ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೌ. ಸಿ ದಿ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ into radian. We have to convert degree to radian. So see the first problem, 15 degree. So degree to radian convert madak ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The formula is x degree is equal to, right, pi by 180 into pi by 180 into x radian. This is the formula. So see here, instead of x degree we have 15 degree. So x degree place nalli 15 degree kottidare, which is equal to, replace in this formula, pi by 180 into x is 15. Okay, so here 15 ones are, so 15 ones are, we get 3, 30 means 15 twos are. Okay, so therefore 15 degree is equal to, so pi into 1 is pi by 12 radian. So this is the value of 15 degree, that is in radian, is pi by 12. So next move on to the second one. So second one is 30 degree. Okay, so here also given degree 30 degree. 30 degree is equal to, same formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So use the formula pi by 180 into x. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 30. Okay, so here 0 0 gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3 6 are. Therefore 30 degree is equal to, pi into 1 is pi by 6 radian. Okay, similarly let us move on to the third problem now. Okay, 13 degree ಆಯ್ತು. Next 45 degree consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 45 degree. So here to convert 45 degree formula is x degree is equal to pi by 180 into x radian. So this is the formula. So instead of x we have 45 degree. Let us replace. 45 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 45. Okay, so here we have to cancel. So 5 9s are 45 ala. So here 5 2s are, so sorry, 5 3s are 15. So 5 6s are. Next 9 1s are 9 4s are. So therefore we get 45 degree is equal to pi by 4 radian. 45 degree value in radian is pi by 4 radian. Okay, so next let us move on to the higher degrees, that is 120 degree. Okay, now we have to convert 120 degree into radian. So here 120 degree equals what is the formula? Again pi by 180 into 120. Okay, so here 0 0 gets cancelled. So here 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18. So again we can cancel, right? 2 2s are, 2 3s are. See here 120 degree equals pi into 2, 2 pi by 3 radian. So this is the value of 120 degree in radian. Okay, suppose if we have negative angles, right? So here before going to the negative angles, I will take another question. Let us take 150 degree. Okay, so how to convert 150 degree to radian? Use the same formula. What is the formula? Pi by 180 into 150 degree. So here 0 0 gets cancelled. So 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Okay, so here 150 degree equals, further we cannot simplify, 5 into pi, 5 pi by 6 radian. So this is the value of 150 degree. So see the next question, negative angles. Okay, minus 720 degree. So here the formula is x degree is equal to pi by 180 into x radian, right? This is the formula. So here minus 720 degree equals, so pi by 180 into, what is the value of x here? Minus 720, right? So here 0 0 gets cancelled. So if we take 3 table, so 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so here 6 1s are 6, 4s are. So if we simplify, we get minus 720 degree equals, here we have minus, don't neglect that one, minus 4 into pi is minus 4 pi radian. So this is the value of minus 720 degree. So next degree is, let us consider another negative angle, that is minus 540 degree. Okay. So to convert minus 540 degree into radian, so again we have to use the same formula. Let us consider pi by 180 into minus 540 degree. Okay. So here 0 gets cancelled. So 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. So here 9 1s are 9 3s are. Okay. Therefore minus 540 degree equals minus 3 into pi is minus 3 pi. So this is the value of minus 540 degree.